Lil'Chris, my nigga. Get every dollar entertainment. This song for my nigga Mike Truck. Rich Trapper, my nigga. From HOL, the Belglade, the Palm Beach. My nigga everywhere, my nigga. You fuck with him, you gon' die, bitch. My nigga Truck, 18-wheeler. My nigga Truck, 18-wheeler. My nigga Truck, 18-wheeler. Really work that bold, bitch. My nigga Truck. My nigga Truck, 18-wheeler. My nigga Truck, 18-wheeler. My nigga Truck, 18-wheeler. Really work that bold, bitch. My nigga Truck. You remember how you met me, nigga? Straight tracks.
You remember,
my nigga knew me since Pampers, bitch. HOL nigga, Belglade nigga, Palm Beach nigga, good nigga, hood nigga.
You shot my dog
with him, you dead, bitch.
All my
niggas real, but this one right here really want me, bitch.
I got him,
I remember everything when I first jumped off the porch. He never turned me down. That's where I got Heron King name from, bitch. He was the first to give it to me. He was supposed to pay for a quart of weed, but gave me half money and a bag of heroin. I asked him what this is. He told me shut up and move it. Since then, they been ODing, bitch. That's my nigga. That's a real nigga. I shoot for him, all that, my nigga. We trap together. We fuck with him, you know what time it is, bitch. My nigga Truck, 18-wheeler. My nigga Truck, 18-wheeler. My nigga Truck, 18-wheeler. Really work that bold, bitch. My nigga Truck. My nigga Truck, 18-wheeler. My nigga Truck, 18-wheeler. My nigga Truck, 18-wheeler. Really work that bold, bitch. My nigga Truck. Yeah, you shot my dog. You hit my nigga, but he killed you, bitch. I was in prison when that happened. You lucky I ain't get on you, but your family finna die. Nah, nigga. I'm home, bitch. Fuck it like it ain't fucking with him. My nigga really look out for you if you ain't got rocks. I remember, nigga. I ain't had shit for $30. My nigga gave me rocks still, bitch. I was swagging, trapping, give it up. We run this shit from HOL to Belglade, bitch. So serious when he trapping, be beating fuck niggas. Y'all junkies grab your rocks and go. My dog play with keys, cook dope, bag meth too. Just like me, my dog eating, bitch. Mike Truck. That's my motherfucking nigga. You already know how I'm coming by him. I'll burn you by him, bitch. Let's get it in, nigga. HOL, nigga. My nigga Truck, 18-wheeler. My nigga Truck, 18-wheeler. My nigga Truck, 18-wheeler. Really work that bold, bitch. My nigga Truck. My nigga Truck, 18-wheeler. My nigga Truck, 18-wheeler. My nigga Truck, 18-wheeler. Really work that bold, bitch. My nigga Truck. Lil'Chris, my nigga. Get every dollar entertainment. This one for my nigga Mike Truck. I had to make a song for you, boy. I love you, nigga. All that. We trap together. All that, nigga. You fuck with him, you gone, boy. From HOL to Belglade, we finna do it, bitch. Y'all respect my nigga. I'm his little shooter, bitch. Get every dollar entertainment.